Let's take a look at the facsimile of the Peterborough Bestiary. The book of animal stories known as the Peterborough Bestiary was unquestionably created in England, but probably not at the Benedictine Abbey at Peterborough. In short chapters, the text describes mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and mythological creatures. Each chapter is headed by a miniature picturing the beast. The illuminator worked entirely from existing imagery and did not attempt to study any of the animals in nature, even those that could be found in England's pastures. The fully realized intention was to create colorful and aesthetically engaging images with plenty of sparkling gold. The simplest images are portraits set against patterned backgrounds of pink and blue, or burnished gold leaf. The mammals are shown in profile, usually striding to the right. Some of the images illustrate animal behaviors described in the text, such as doves roosting in paradoxion trees. The trees repel dragons and thus protect the birds. The unicorn, we are told, can only be successfully captured when it rests in the lap of a virgin. Domestic dogs receive plenty of attention, with 3 miniatures. But so too do fantastic half-human creatures. Animals generally unfamiliar to Europeans are also treated, such as the elephant. The illuminator's ignorance of the actual appearance of many beasts is manifest. For example, the crocodile, shown emerging from water and attacking a man, bears no resemblance to a crocodile in nature. The animal lore of the bestiary was intended to teach certain lessons. The scribe highlighted the moralizing passages with the Latin word spiritualiter in the margin. And the reader is constantly reminded to pay attention to the text by the many human heads found in the painted initials. The facsimile was published by Facsimile Verlag in Switzerland and Salerno Editrice in Italy in 2003.